Hello, and welcome to our last module for the year, Module 14, Review. Okay, so let's see what we have to do for today. Day 1, Monday, December 21st. Okay, first you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. There are two activities in Async. The first activity is an activity in MEL, writing effective topic sentences. Okay. And the second activity is your one word pitch. So we did this practice on Thursday with our partners. So you have two options on how to record your pitch. First, you can go to Flipgrid, click this link in Flipgrid and record, or you can record your video or audio only in the discussion section of your comment of the discussion section of the post. Okay, those are your two options, right? And that's it for async. Remember, your pitch is your topic, why it's important to you, what is the claim. Remember, claim is problem and solution, and the pieces of evidence you have from the research that you did in your articles. And that's it for async. It is a Monday, so that means we have class on Zoom, and we are just going to practice our pitch today. Okay, we're going to review the expectations of the pitch and practice the pitch with a partner. All right, and then here you have the information that you will be saying to your partner, and basically this is what you will be recording for your discussion post for your async. And that's it for today. Good luck.